Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine with Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1965 Mustang. We'll go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We got the 302 Ford roller lifter cam engine, double roller timing chain, brand new balancer, oil pressure extensions installed, proper oil pan, front sump oil pan for the 65 Mustang. We got the aluminum heads on there, Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, all the wire markers on there, brass freeze plugs installed, painted the Ford blue. It's real nice Ford Racing blue valve covers with a matching air cleaner. Distributor set in place. The Holley Sniper fuel injection set up. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. All the manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. The Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, the menu screen, plug and play, ready to go. Every engine is live run at the engine factory. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be set, ready to go. We have the proper flex plate. The customer's C4 transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford. Chrome dipstick and tube, high flow aluminum water pump, proper water pump, 65 Mustang. Passenger side, proper thermostat housing and thermostat installed. So this is the way you get it. All ready to go, all dialed in. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.